Trojan Win64 RustyStealer.DSK MTB is a detection of Microsoft Defender that you can see popping up in the system. It normally flags a malicious program that aims at stealing user accounts and cryptocurrency from the infected system. At the same time, there are reports about it being a false positive detection. In this video, I will explain how to understand whether the malware is active and how to remove it from the system. In normal situations, Trojan Win64 RustyStealer.DSK MTB flags spyware or an info-stealer malware. RustyStealer name corresponds to a small group of malware that acts in a similar manner to one another, but has different origins. MTB ending states for the heuristic detection system, meaning that the malware was detected because of how it acted. That actually means a lot for understanding whether the threat is real, and we'll get back to it later. Typical symptoms of such malware appear with a delay of 2 or 3 days after the infection, even though the malware does its dirty job immediately after being injected into the system. It just takes several days for hackers to start abusing the leaked account. Most definite signs of this are your online accounts being inaccessible due to the incorrect password, or hundreds of spam messages being sent from your account to all the people you've ever had a conversation with. There is also a possibility of this detection being a false positive. As I said, it comes from the heuristic detection system, which requires confirmation from other detection systems for better accuracy. When other systems cannot confirm or deny that the threat is real, it can end up with a false detection. If you see Microsoft Defender flagging a safe and legit application as malicious, you can just dismiss the alarm. But how to understand that Trojan Win64 RustyStealer.DSK MTB is a real detection? Manual analysis may be complicated, especially since malicious programs can sometimes mix their files with legit applications. For that reason, I recommend running a second opinion scan with Soft anti-malware. It will quickly reveal whether there is any threat to your system or not. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan, so the program will go through all the system elements, down to configuration files and hidden folders. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove the detected malware. If no detections appear during the scan, then you have likely seen a false positive detection. But when there are malicious programs, I would recommend you to reset all the passwords that you have in the system. This way, cybercriminals will not be able to use the leaked credentials. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.